Hello everyone, I just wanted to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Last week my family was on vacation in Arizona and it was a fantastic trip. So as a gift I wanted to share a montage of that trip. If you've never been to Arizona, I highly recommend it. It's an amazing state to visit. You can see everything from the Grand Canyon to the Painted Desert to Red Rock and the list just goes on. So if you're traveling from abroad and coming over, I would say put Arizona on your list for sure. So again, Merry Christmas to you all and Happy New Year for 2020 coming up. If you don't celebrate Christmas, I just wish you the best. So stay tuned for the video montage and I hope you enjoy it.
Where are we?
You can tell it's the Grand Canyon because of the way it is.
That ain't so big.